project of 3 clinics in Gaza is the completeness of PENRA's hard work to minimize the damage caused by electricity shortage in Gaza Strip. This project is considered phase 1 of a total count of 19 clinics. The 3 clinics that were done in phase 1 are Abu Shbak Clinic, Deir al-Balah Clinic, and Zaytoun Clinic. We are looking forward to continue the remaining 16 clinics this year and the early next year. This project is funded by a group of international donors such as Norway, European Union, as well as World Bank, supervised and managed by PENRA staff in West Bank and Gaza. Many thanks to Megapower team for the great performance in implementing the project in coordination with PENRA and MOH teams.